What if you could reduce your organization's defect rate by 50% or more? That's the potential impact of robust quality control practices. Many organizations struggle with inconsistent product quality, leading to customer complaints, increased costs, and damage to brand reputation. This lack of effective quality control can result in lost business and decreased competitiveness. At an individual level, employees may feel uncertain about quality standards and how to maintain them. Teams may work in silos, leading to inconsistent quality practices across different production stages. This course provides comprehensive training in quality control principles and techniques. It equips participants with the tools and knowledge to implement effective quality control processes and drive continuous improvement. Participants will learn statistical process control, acceptance sampling, measurement system analysis, and root cause analysis techniques. They'll also develop skills in creating control charts, interpreting quality data, and implementing corrective actions. For organizations, the impact is significant. They'll see improved product consistency, reduced defects, and enhanced customer satisfaction. This leads to decreased costs, fewer returns and complaints, and improved market reputation. On a personal level, participants will gain valuable skills that are applicable across various industries and roles. Teams will benefit from a shared understanding of quality control principles, fostering a culture of quality throughout the organization. Ready to become a guardian of quality in your organization? Don't miss this opportunity to develop expert quality control skills. Enroll now and learn to implement quality control processes that drive consistent excellence in your products and services.